Tired of piecing together your camping gear? CampQuest Outfitters has you covered. Introducing the Weekend Warrior Kit. Spending more time planning than camping? Stop stressing and start exploring with our all-in-one solution. The Weekend Warrior Kit includes everything you need: a durable tent, comfy sleeping pad, cookware set, bright lantern, and a rugged backpack to carry it all. Our trail-proven picks are designed to work seamlessly together, so you can focus on the adventure. Get incredible savings compared to buying each item separately. Quality gear at an unbeatable price. Ships fast from our US warehouse so you can get on the trail sooner. Pick your bundle, lock in your kit, and get ready for your next adventure with CampQuest Outfitters. Sign up for our newsletter to get tactical intel and limited restocks. Follow us on social media. Copyright 2025, CampQuest Outfitters. Powered by Shopify.